the morning habit that will transform your life. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have unlimited energy all day while you struggle to get out of bed? What if I told you the difference isn't in willpower, but in the first 5 minutes of your day? Today, I'm sharing the morning habit that is literally rewiring the brains of successful people in 2025, backed by neuroscience. Hi, spiritual family. In today's video, we're diving deep into the most powerful morning habit that's transforming lives in 2025. Forget complicated morning routines. This is about one habit that changes everything. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a special technique that very few people know about. The science behind morning success. Let's talk science for a moment. Studies from Stanford University show that the first 5 minutes after waking up literally shape your brain's chemistry for the entire day. Upon waking, your brain produces what's called the morning cortisol surge. Think of it as your body's natural coffee. The common morning mistake. Here's the mistake most people make: grabbing their phone immediately. This puts your brain in a reactive state, hijacking your natural energy system. Sound familiar? Don't worry, I used to do the same. The conscious awakening method. Here's the habit that's changing everything. The 5-5-5 conscious awakening method. 1-5 deep breaths. 2-5 gentle movements. 3-5 minutes of intention setting. Implementation strategy. Here's exactly how to implement it. Place your alarm far from your bed. Keep a glass of water by your bedside. Start with just 1 minute if 5 feels overwhelming. Use the habit stacking technique. The secret technique. Here's the transformational secret I promised, the identity shift declaration. Before you open your eyes, say this: I am someone who starts every day with purpose. This isn't just positive thinking, it's neural programming. Try it for just 7 days. Not 21, not 30, just 7 days. Comment "I'm in" below if you're ready to transform your mornings. Download your free morning habit tracker from the description. Remember, success isn't about massive changes. It's about small, consistent actions that build up over time. This habit could be your first domino. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more science-based habit transformation videos.